Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor. We are professional air compressor manufacturer over 17 years, located at Shanghai, China. Today, there are two sets of 60 kW portable diesel school air compressor ready to ship to Chile. And the air compressor will be used for the sandblasting machine. And of course, the compressor is widely used for mining, road building, and so on. Okay, now I'll open the air compressor cabinet to let us see the inside. And the design of the air compressor cabinet is very easily to open, so it's very convenient to do the maintenance in the future when using. Okay, now this is the screw element. The key part of the air compressor machine, ZIQI custom made with Gemini technology, the most advanced of tooth ratio of 5:6 to make sure the air compressor working with a high efficiency. This is another key part, diesel engine. The diesel engine is more fuel efficient, durable and reliable working, and is also very important for the diesel air compressor machine. The compressor equipped with a bigger size diesel oil tank. This is the axial fan, and with a bigger size cooler to make sure the air compressor working for a long time. Okay, this way this is the wheels, two wheels. Here is the controller. The controller with multi language. You can choose which you prefer, and this is the pressure gauge. The plug is customized according to customer requirement. Okay, this is the oil air vessel. The bigger size oil air vessel to separated the compressed air and the lubrication oil higher efficiency. Here equipped with an oil filter. Okay, another side is. You can see here is a pre-feature for the diesel engine, and this is another air filter for the diesel engine, and this is an air filter for the screw element. This is intake valve with two batteries. Okay, if you have any question about the screw air compressor or you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye today.